Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet account. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter your passcode. Now it is a very simple step. At this home page, there you can see the buy option. You need to simply tap on that. And here now you need to search for Ethereum. In case if you don't see it, then you can go at the search bar and simply type it down. Now simply tap on Ethereum. After that, you will be led to this kind of interface. Here now you need to enter the amount that you want to buy or purchase. Trust Wallet automatically shows the conversion at the downside. Now after you are done entering the amount, then you can simply tap on buy with credit card. Then you will be led to another page where you need to fill down your credit card details in order to purchase or buy your Ethereum. But make sure you have sufficient balance. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.